How do you plan to take forward your party? Because you have just recently launched a party, and we see that the BJP and the Congress here are turning out to be one of the biggest opposition. So, do you see your party turning out to be a big opposition for the Chief Minister and for the TRS party? And my next question is on the water issue which is going on. You had earlier stated that center is not doing anything and they should resolve this issue which is going on since so many years. So what's your stand on that?
I do not think that BJP or the Congress is playing their part in this state of Telangana. The BJP leader says he has evidence against the Chief Minister but doesn't do anything about it. If indeed he has a deal, and if indeed he has no nexus with the Chief Minister, why doesn't he put them out? What is his problem? Definitely they are working hand in glove. And the Congress party is completely sold out to the TRS party. Practically there is no opposition here. Without our party, before our party, there is no opposition, there was no opposition in Telangana. KCR was a dictator and there was no one to question him. Our party came up with the idea of standing against the government. We are the only opposition in Telangana. I am very sure that we will gather all those people together who are not happy with the KCR.
What would be your strategy? What would be your strategy for coming forward then?
Our strategy will be to fight for the problems of the people. Our strategy is to tell them that we are for them. Our strategy is to stand by them, and given a chance, we are going to work for their good.
And what about the water issue?
KCR has been the Chief Minister since 7 years and has done nothing to resolve the issues of water. At any given point of time, like he says he is friends with the Chief Minister of Andhra, they could have sat down, they could have resolved their issues any time they wanted. What is the need of him to raise this water issue right now? Why do you think he is doing it? It's political. It's clearly political. I'm sure there are water boards. I'm sure they will do their job. I'm sure that we will come to a solution. As for us, if a solution is not arrived, if Telangana stands hurt, then we are going to stand up for the people and fight for the rights of the people of Telangana. Exactly, that is our stand. We will stand for the people, for the rights of the people of Telangana.
Yes, madam. Congress party నుంచి ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా చేశారు. ఆయన కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ ఆశగా వచ్చింది.